My dear students, how are you? I hope you are fine. In today's class, we are going to see a new chapter, chapter 1, the fish tail. Before that, we are going to recall some basic concepts. Okay, you are going to start your academic for standard 5. Okay, so you must know all these basic concepts. Okay, first we are going to see tables. So every student must remember the multiplication tables. Okay, so try to read the tables from 2 to 12. Whenever you find free time, you must spend your time for reading the tables. Okay, so I hope every student will remember the tables from 2 to 12. In the Zoom meeting, definitely I will ask you the tables. Okay, so remember the tables. Okay, next you must know Indian system of numeration. Already we have explained Indian system of numeration in bridge course. Once again, we are now going to recall it. So hereafter we are going to use this system only to read the numbers. So we must know how to read the numbers by using Indian system of numeration. Okay. So what are the place values of Indian system of numeration? You know that they are ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, lakhs, 10 lakhs, crores and 10 crores. So these 9 are the place values of Indian system of numeration. So you must remember this. Similarly, this ones, tens, hundreds goes to the period of ones. 1000 and 10,000 goes to the period of 1000. Lakhs and 10 lakhs goes to the period of lakhs. And crores and 10 crores goes to the period of crores. So we are mainly dividing the place values by 4 sections. They are ones period, thousands period, lakhs period and crores period. Okay, that's why while you are placing the commas among the given number, starting from the right, we place the first comma after the 3 digits. See here, 1, 2, 3. Here I am going to use my right hand. You have to place the right hand side beside the number. So from the right hand side of the number, you have to start the counting. So 1, 2, 3. After the 3 digit, you have to place the first comma. Do you understand? And then how can we place the next commas after every 2 digits? So 1, 2, comma, 1, 2, comma. Do you understand? See the next one. So starting from the right of the number, you have to place the first comma after the 3 digits. So 1, 2, 3, first comma. After that next every 2 digits. So 1, 2, next comma. 1, 2, next comma. Okay. Before we have only one number. Suppose here we have 2 numbers means you have to place before the 2 number you have to place that comma. Okay. So you have to stop your comma up to this. So starting from the right of the number, you have to place the first comma after the 3 digits. 1, 2, 3, first comma. Next remaining commas are you have to place after every 2 digits. So 1, 2, comma. 1, 2, before that we don't have any number, so you have to stop our comma up to this. Okay. So starting from the right of the number, after the first 3 digit you have to place the first comma. After that every 2 digits. So 1, 2, comma. 1, 2. So you have to stop up to this. So this is the way you have to place the comma by using Indian system of numeration. Okay, now we are going to read this number. How do you read this number? Listen carefully, children. See here, this is the ones period number and this is the thousand period number. This is the lakhs period number. In crores period we have only one digit number. So this belongs to the crores period. Okay. So you have to read the number period as your whole. See here we have 70. You have to read it as 73. Here we have 84. You have to read it as 84. And you have to say the place value of, see here 1000, here lakhs, here crores. Before that we have 10 crores. But you have to say crores only. See here 9 crores. Think that suppose here we have 1. So how do you read this? 19 crores. You have to say the place value of crores only. Okay. So 19 crores. 73. You have to read these two numbers as a whole. So 73. You have to say the place value of lakh. Don't say that 10 lakh. Okay. So 73 lakhs. How can you read this? 84,000 and 321. This 3 digit you can easily know already. Okay. So how do you read this? 19 crores. You have to read the period of number as a whole. This is one period of number. This is one period of number. So you have to read it as a whole. So 19 crores. 73 lakhs. 84,321. You have to use the conjunction and after the base value 100. Okay. See the next one. How can you read this number? See here. 6 goes to crores period. So 6 crores. 54 lakhs. 63,101. Do you understand, children? How can you read this? 6 crores. 54 lakhs. 63,101. Similarly, read this number along with me. See here, 85. You have to read it as a whole. 85 lakhs. Yes. 61,476. Good. See the next one. 70. What is the place value here? L. 70 lakhs. Here we have 0. So you don't say the number. So 70 lakhs. 342. Do you understand, children? How can I read this? 70 lakhs. 342. So everyone must read the tables and must know the place values in Indian system of numeration, and you have to know how to read and write the number names by using the Indian system of numeration. Okay. Next, what are the 4 operations? What are the 4 basic fundamental operations in mathematics? Yes. Addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. So plus, minus, into, divide symbol. These are the symbols we are using to denote these operations. These are called operations. Addition, subtraction, multiplication, division. So now we are in 5th standard. So you must know how to add the given numbers, how to subtract the given numbers, how to multiply the given number, how to divide the given number. So you must thorough in these 4 operations. Okay. Now we are going to see the chapter the fish tail. Okay. Take your maths book and go through the pages. You have the colorful pictures in your books. Okay. Go through the pictures. Okay. I think this is your problem in page number 7. I think. Okay. So this is here a simple word problem. Now we are going to see. Now read the question, children. You must have the reading practice also. So whenever you are writing the classwork and homework, you have to pronounce the word properly. Okay. See here. Read the question. Read the question along with me, children. If the speed of motor boat is 20 km, how can you read km? Km is a short form for kilometer. Okay, so you have to read it as 20 kilometer. Okay, if the speed of motor boat is 20 kilometer in 1 hour. Hour means 1 hour means it has how many minutes? Yes, 60 minutes. So in 60 minutes in 1 hour, the boat, in your book there are many types of boat like motor boat, log boat, long tail boat. You can see the picture in your maths book. Okay. In this question we have a motor boat. This motor boat travel 20 kilometer of distance in 1 hour. Okay. So we can call it as a speed of that motor boat. Okay. And what is the question? How far would the motor boat go in 3.5 hours? Okay. Once again I read the question, listen carefully. How far would the motor boat go in 3.5 hours? It means how far means distance. We have to calculate how much distance the motor boat can go in 3.5 hours. 3.5 hours. Within the 3.5 hours, how far the motor boat will travel? We have to calculate that. The data given is the speed of the motor boat is 20 km in 1 hour. It means in 1 hour. Suppose if the motor boat start at 2 o'clock means after 1 hour, that is by 3 o'clock, it would travel 20 km. So first step in the solution part, you have to write the solution here. Okay. So what is the solution? First step, you have to write the words from taking the words from question itself. So the boat travel in 1 hour equal to, what is the speed of the boat in 1 hour? 20 kilometers. So here you have to write 20 kilometers. It is very easy, children. The boat travels in 1 hour equal to 20 km. Here we also write motor boat also. Both are right. Next we have to write the boat traveling 3 hours. Why I write here 3 hours? I have splitted this 3.5 hours as 3.5 hours. Okay, so first I am going to calculate how far the boat travel in 3 hours. And then I am going to calculate how far the boat travel in half an hour. Okay, in order to simplify our calculation, I am splitting these hours into 2. Okay, so the boat travel in 3 hours. This is the next step. How can we calculate this? 1 hour it travel in 20 km. The boat travels in, here you have to write 1. The boat travels in 1 hour equal to 20 km. The boat travels in 3 hours equal to, what is the operation here we have to use? Yes, multiplication. So you have to multiply the distance by 3. See here, in 1 hour the boat will travel 20 km. So in 3 hours the boat will travel 3 into 20 km. So here you have to write 3 into 20 km. Here we are going to multiply these two numbers. So that's why we are using this bracket. This type of writing, the writing symbols are said to be brackets. The name of this bracket is simple bracket. So this is the simple bracket I am using here. Okay. So within this bracket I am writing 3 into 20 kilometers. So the boat traveling 3 hours equal to 3 into 20 kilometers. So how can we multiply? See here, 3 into 20. You know 3 table as well as the 2 table. While you are multiplying the number ending with 0, the first step is you have to forget the 0. So what are the remaining number? 3 and 2. Multiply these two numbers. 3 into 2, 6. How many zeros you forgot? Only 1 0. Add that 0 with this. So 60. So our answer is 60 kilometer. Do you understand? Suppose in the question if they are asking the boat travels in 4 hours means instead of 4 you have to, instead of 3 you have to write here 4. So 4 into 20, 80 kilometer. Suppose in the question they are asking 5 means instead of 3 here you have to write 5. So 5 into 20. So forget the 0. 5 2s are 10. So 10 with 0, 100 kilometer. So similarly here you have to write the numbers. I hope you understand. Okay. Next we are going to see how can we calculate the boat traveling half an hour. See here children, in the question they are asking 3.5 hours. I have splitted that 3.5 hours as 3.5. See here, how can we write the half in the number form? 1 by 2. We can also call it as a fraction. Okay. So 1 by 2 represent half. How can you write the quarter? 1 by 4. I hope you know this already, this concept. See here, this is your whole thing. Now I am going to divide it into 2 parts. If I shade this one part, how do you write this shaded portion in fraction form? 1 by 2. This 1 by 2 is said to be half. Suppose if I divide this whole part into 4 parts. See here, 1, 2, 3, 4. Among the 4 parts, 2 parts are shaded. So how do you represent it? 2 by 4. If you cancel it, you get 1 by 2. So this type of representing the number is said to be fraction. Here 1 by 2 represent half. Okay, so that's why here we are writing 1 by 2. So the boat traveling half an hour equal to, how do you calculate this? See here, for 1 hour 20 kilometer means for 3 hours 3 into 20. So for half hour you have to multiply the 20 by half. Write the numbers within the bracket and write the kilometer. Okay, because we are going to calculate the distance. So here you have to write kilometer. Okay. Next we have to simplify this. See here, though we have the multiplication operation here, the 2 is in the denominator. So you have to cancel this number by using the number 2. It means you have to divide the 20 by 2. You know already the division. So 1, 2 is 2. And subtracting 2 minus 2, 0. So in the divided part we have 1, 0. We have to add that 0 to the quotient part. So what is your answer? 1, 2 is 2, 10 2s are 20. You may also cancel like this. So the boat traveling half an hour equal to 10 kilometer. Already we have calculated the boat traveling 3 hours equal to 60 km. Now we have calculated the boat traveling half an hour equal to 10 km. Now we are going to conclude our answer. The boat traveling 3.5 hours. So the boat will go in 3.5 hours is equal to, already we know the boat traveling 3 hours equal to 60 km. For half an hour we have calculated 10 km. So totally the boat traveling 3.5 hours equal to 60 plus 10 is 70 km. Do you understand, children? Next, children, we are going to see another word problem. In your maths book, we can see this problem in page number 9. Okay. See here, in the question, they have given one table column. Observe this table column. See here, children. Type of boat. So in this column, they have given the name of the types of boat. And then catch of fish in one trip in kg. It means this log boat. First, we read the type of the boat. Log boat, long tail boat, motor boat, machine boat. Log boat, long tail boat, motor boat, machine boat. So here we have 4 types of boat. So catch of fish in one trip. It means in a single trip, this type of boat. You can see the picture of the log boat, long tail boat, motor boat, machine boat in your maths book. Okay. So this log boat can catch how much kg of fish? 20 kg of fish in one trip. Similarly, long tail boat can catch in a trip 600 kg. Motor boat can catch 800 kg of fish in one trip. Similarly, a machine boat can catch 6000 kg of fish in a trip, in a single trip, in a one trip. Okay. So these are the boat can catch the fish in one trip. Okay. Where does the boat catch the fish? From the sea. Okay. So from the sea, in a single trip, the log boat can catch 20 kg. Long tail boat can catch 600 kg. Motor boat can catch 800 kg. Machine boat can catch 6000 kg. Okay. And in the next column, they given speed of the boat. So how much speed can each boat can go? See here, the log boat can move 4 km per hour. So within per means 1. Okay. Per means 1. So within a hour, within 1 hour, this log boat can travel 4 km. It means, so what is the speed of the log boat? 4 km per hour. You have to give the speed with time duration. So whenever you give the speed, you have to give the speed with time duration. So log boat can travel 4 km in 1 hour. Similarly, long tail boat can travel 12 km in 1 hour. Similarly, motor boat can travel 20 km per hour. Machine boat can travel 22 km per hour. So the speed of the log boat is 4 km per hour. Speed of long tail boat is 12 km per hour. Speed of motor boat is 20 km per hour. And speed of machine boat is 22 km per hour. So these are the data given in the question. Okay. Based on this table column, we have 3 questions. First, we are going to see the first question. After that, we will see the second and third one. Okay. See the first question, subdivision A. Read the question along with you, children. About how much fish in all will each type of boat bring in 7 trips? Once again, read the question. About how much fish in all will each type of boat bring in 7 trips? What is asking in the question? They are asking how much fish? How much fish in all? In all means these 4 boats. How much fish? These all the boat. These 4 types of boat will each type of boat. Each type means every boat. Each type of boat bring in 7 trips. So 7 trips. In a one trip, this log boat can catch 20 kg. Long tail boat can catch 600. Similarly, motor boat 800 kg, machine boat 6000 kg. In this question, they are asking, similarly, this boat will go for the trip in the sea for how many times? 7 times. So, 7 trips. So, these 4 types of boats are going to the sea for 7 times and they caught fish. So, they are asking, after the 7 trips of all types of boats, how much fish this boat can catch. Okay, so we have to calculate each type of boat can catch in 7 trips. Okay, so we have to calculate for each type and then we have to add, we can get the total. Okay, let us see how we are going to do this one. Okay, see here children, this is the speed of the boat. In the first question, they are asking the how much fish only. So, for the calculation of this part, we have to need type of boat and the weight of the fish caught by each one only. So, we need these 2 columns only. So, in the solution part, we have to write the first 2 columns. Okay. So, this is the solution for subdivision A. Here you have to write type of boat. So, in the solution part also you have to draw this other column. So, type of boat. What are the type of boat? Log boat, long tail boat, motor boat, machine boat. So, this is the catch of fish in one trip. So, here I will shortly then catch in one trip. So, what is the catch of fish in one trip? 20 kg, long tail boat 600 kg, motor boat 800 kg, machine boat 6000 kg. Okay, here we are going to calculate catch of fish in 7 trips. One trip, for a single trip, this log boat can catch 20 kg. So, how much fish this log boat can catch in 7 trips? One trip 20 kg. For 7 trips, how do you calculate? You have to multiply. So, you have to multiply the 20 kg by 7. So, 7 into 20. We understand children? Similarly, see the next one, long tail boat. Long tail boat can catch 600 kg of fish in one trip. So, this long tail boat can catch how much fish in 7 trips? By multiplying this 7 by 600. Okay. So, 7 into 600. Similarly, you have to multiply 800 into 7. So, the motor boat can catch how much fish in 7 trips? 7 into 800. Similarly, for a machine boat also, you have to multiply this value by 7. Suppose, instead of in this question, instead of 7, if they are giving 5 means, here you have to multiply all these value by 5. It means 5 trips. Here in this question we have 7 trips. So here we are multiplying the each value by 7. Suppose in this question they have given some other number 4, 3, like that means you have to use that number to multiply these values. Also listen carefully children, if these values suppose change means you have to follow the same procedure only. You have to multiply the trips number with total amount of fish caught by each type of boat. Okay, so instead of 20, suppose here we have 40 means you have to multiply the 7 by 40. Instead of 7 in the question they have given 5 means you have to use 5 here. So you should be very clear in the procedure of each sum. Okay. So here we are multiplying the kg of fish. That is the fish catch by each boat by 7. Why here we are multiplying by 7? Because in this question they are asking total amount of fish caught by all type of boat in 7 trips. So here we are multiplying the values by 7. Do you understand children? Okay. Next we are going to multiply this value. Okay. So 7 into 20. Usually how do you multiply these two values? First you multiply the 7 by 0 and then by 2. But hereafter you may use this method to multiply this. While you are multiplying the numbers ending with 0, you may forget the 0. Forget the 0. What are the remaining numbers? 7 and 2. Multiply these two numbers. 7 into 2. So what is your answer? 7 2s are 14 or 2 7s are 14. How many zeros you forgot? Only 1 0. So write the 0 along with this answer. So 140. Similarly, see the next one, 7 into 600. So 7 into 600. So how many zeros here we have? 2 zeros. So forget the zeros first. What are the remaining numbers? 7 into 6. So 7 6 are 42 or 6 7s are 42. Write the number here. How many zeros you strike out? 2 zeros. Add the 2 zeros. So the answer is 4200. How do you place the comma after the first 3 digits starting from the right? So 1 2 3. Here also you place the comma like this. 1 2 3. Okay. See what is the next number? 7 into 800. So 7 into 800. Forget the 2 zeros. 7 8s are 56. See here children, what is the beauty here? See here, 7 into 8, 5, 56. See the continuously we have the number 5, 6, 7, 8. 7 8s are 56. Do you understand? So now add the 2 zeros you have forgot. So 5600. How do you place the comma? 1 2 3 after the 3 digit. So what is the answer? 5600. See the next number. 7 into 6000. How many zeros we have? 3 zeros. Forget the zeros. 7 6 are 42. Now add the 3 zeros. 1 2 3. How do you place the comma after the 3 digits starting from the right of the number? So 1 2 3. After every 2 digit. Before that we don't have any number. So you have to stop our comma up to this. Thus we have multiplied all the values. Now we are going to write the values in the table column. Okay. While you are writing this answer in the table column, you must maintain their place value. See here. What is the place value here? Ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000 like this was going. Okay. See here, no need to write here. For your understanding purpose only I am writing here. Okay. You must maintain the place value. See here. Here you have to write the 0 and then 4 and then 1. So what is the answer? 140. Similarly, what is the next one? 4200. So here you have to write the 0, 0, 2 and then 4. See here. Ones, tens, 100. They are maintaining their place value. Similarly, write the remaining number also. 5600. Similarly, how do you read this? 42,000. While suppose if you are not able to read the number, means you just say their place value. Ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000. This is a period of number. So you have to read it as a whole. So 42,000. Okay. So in this question they are asking how much fish in all. So in all means we have to total the values. For that we have to add them. Okay, now we are going to add this value. So add the last number 0, 0, 0, 0. If you add 4 zeros, you get 0 only. Similarly, see here 4 plus 0 plus 0 plus 0. So what is your answer? 4 only. See the next one, 1 plus 2, 3. 3 plus 6, 9. So 9. So what is the remaining number? 4 plus 5, 9. 9 plus 2, 10, 11. So our carrier is 1. 4 plus 1, 5. We have to place the comma starting from the right after 3 digit. So what is the total amount of fish caught by all the boats in 7 trips? 51,940 kg. Here also children you have to write the values along with their units. What is mean by kg children? Already I have told km means kilometer. What is mean by kg? Kilogram. Okay, so kg means kilogram. Km means kilometer. Next we are going to see the subdivision B and C now. Okay. See the subdivision B children. About how far can a water boat go in 6 hours? Listen. The clue word how far. How much means you have to find the quantity. How long means you have to find the time. How far means you have to find the distance. So while you are doing the sum, you have to listen the clue words also given in the question. Okay. So in this question they are asking how far can a water boat go in 6 hours. So we have to listen the water boat. So come to the table column. In here they have given motor boat can catch 800 kg of fish and its speed is 20 km per hour. It means motor boat can go in 1 hour 20 kilometers. In this question they are asking how far the motorboat can go in 6 hours. So 1 hour 20 kilometers. So for 6 hours you have to multiply 20 into 6, you get the answer. Here we are doing this problem by using the formula method. Here I am using the formula distance equal to speed into time. So we are doing this problem by using this formula method. So here you have to write this formula. Why here we are using this formula is in the subdivision C also we are going to use this formula. So that's why we are doing the both subdivision by using this formula. You have to understand the concept clearly children. See the formula here. Distance equal to speed into time. So to calculate the distance covered by any vehicle, here we have motor. So to calculate the distance covered by the boat, you have to multiply its speed by time. So distance equal to speed into time. Do you understand? So what is the formula? Shortly here I have written D equal to S into T. It means distance equal to speed into time. In your subject physics, you may have this formula in future. Okay. So distance equal to speed into time. Listen carefully children. See this example. 10 equal to 5 into 2. Okay. So 5 into 2 equal to 10. Now see the next step. 10 by 5 equal to 2. It's clear? If you divide the 10 by 5, 1 5 is 5, 2 5 are 10, you get the value 2. So 10 equal to 5 into 2. So 2 can be written as 10 by 5. Similarly, distance equal to speed into time. So we can write time equal to distance by speed. Do you understand children? See here. 10 equal to 5 into 2. In order to write the 2 in terms of 10 and 5, you may write it as 10 by 5 equal to 2. Similarly, distance equal to speed into time. In order to write the time in distance in speed, you have to write time equal to distance by speed. Similarly, you can also write, see here, D equal to speed into time. So, distance by speed. Already I have written distance by time equal to speed. See here, bring this t to this side. So distance by t equal to speed. So you must remember these things. Okay. So distance equal to speed into time. Time equal to distance by speed. Speed equal to distance by time. Okay. You must remember these things. Okay. See here. So in the solution part you have to write these words. You may correct these words from your question itself. Okay, you have to write your own sentence here. Speed of motorboat equal to 20 km per hour. Instead of writing per here, you may use the bar also children. 20 km bar. For hour you may also use the short form HR. Okay, so 20 km per hour. Both are same. So speed of motorboat equal to 20 km per hour. Motor can go in 6 hours. Now we are going to calculate distance. So what is the formula for distance? Speed into time. So what is the speed? 20 km into. So 20 into. What is the time here? 6 hours. So 20 into 6. We are going to calculate distance. So here you have to write the distance unit. So here we are using kilometer. So here you have to write kilometer. So 20 into 6. How do you multiply 20 into 6? Forget the 0. 2 6 are 12. Add the 0. So 120 kilometer. While you are writing the answer, you must write the units. Okay. See the next one. That's all the subdivision C. So what is asked in the question? How far can a motorboat go in 6 hours? 1 hour it goes in 20 kilometer. Motorboat can go in 6 hours equal to 20 into 6, 120 kilometer. That's all. See the next one. If a long tail boat has to travel 60 kilometers, how long? See the clue children. How long it will take? Here they are asking how far. So we have found out the distance. How long means? Yes, time we have to calculate. So we have to calculate the time the long tail boat can take to travel 60 kilometers. So the long tail boat have to travel 60 kilometers. So they have to calculate how much time it will take. So So we are using the formula. Now we are going to calculate how much time this long tail boat can take to cover the 60 kilometers. Okay, see here. First step you have to write the speed of the long tail boat. Speed of long tail boat equal to, observe the greater column. So long tail boat is here. What is its speed? 12 km per hour. So you have to write 12 km per hour. Okay. Now we have to find time taken by. Here you have to write long tail boat or heat also. So the time taken by long tail boat to travel 60 km equal to. How do you calculate that time? By using the formula. Time equal to distance by speed. How do you calculate the time? By dividing the distance value by the value of speed. By dividing the distance value by the value of speed. What is the value of distance here? 60. What is the value of speed here? 12. Thus 60 by 12 you get the value of time. Here we have found out the distance. We have used the unit kilometer. Here we are finding the time. So we are using the unit hour. Okay. Now we are going to divide the 60 by 12. So in the rougher part you have to divide the 60 by 12. You know the 12 table. 5 12s are 60. So our answer is 5 hours. So here you have to write 5 hours. Okay. So in our today's class we have discussed what are the place values in Indian system of numeration, and then we see the two word problems from the chapter fish tail. Okay. So I hope you understand all the concepts discussed today. Use the new note for writing your class of children. Write your class up very neatly. Use blue ink pen to write your answers and black pen to write the question, and use pencil to do your rough work part and do your homework correctly and neatly and set it in the WhatsApp group. Along with this video you may also have the activity. Do that activity also. Okay. Thank you children. My dear students, now we are going to do one small activity. Okay. So our activity is using the mathematical shapes. We are going to make the fish. Okay. See here. What is the shape of this? Yes, circle. What is this shape? Yes, triangle. What is this shape? Triangle. Okay. So using these three shapes, now I am going to make a fish. Okay. See here. So you have to give the outline like this, and you have to make use bindi, or you can use the sketch to draw the circle and mouth of the circle, mouth of the fish, and you have to arrange the tail of the fish like this. And for girls I am using another triangle here. Now you can see the beautiful fish. Thus children, we have finished the circle fish. Next we are going to make fish using, what is this shape? Yes, square and triangle. Okay. Now using this square and triangle we are going to make the fish. See here, you have to make the square like this. Okay. And then place the triangle like this. Now your fish is ready. Next we are going to see triangle fish. For that I have taken two triangles. Now we are going to arrange this triangle to make the fish. Okay. In one triangle you draw the eye of the fish and place the another triangle like this. You get the triangle fish. Okay. Next children, we are going to see rectangle fish. Okay. First you have to place the rectangle like this and then arrange the triangle like this. You get the fish. Okay. See here how I am arranging. So this is the rectangle fish. Okay. See children, thus the three triangle and one rectangle make one fish. So this is the rectangle fish, and this is the square fish, and this is a circle fish, and this is the triangle fish. Okay. At your home also you can make your own fish by using your own ideas. Okay. Thank you children.